Buying a home is often seen as a smart investment with the potential to increase in value over time. However, as one family recently discovered, the reality can be quite different. They purchased a home a year ago but have since encountered unexpected costs and issues with the property. But buying a home is not always a guarantee of financial success. The real estate market can fluctuate, and if a home is not bought at the right time, or in the right location, it may not increase in value as much as expected. Additionally, owning a home comes with a maintenance and a repair cost that renters do not have to worry about. For some people, buying a house could be like a renting from the bank. The bank doesn't come over to check on your frozen pipes. Houses are a great investment if you buy in the right place. Hold on to it for the right number of years and sell at the right moment, then you make money. But if you don't, it can be a costly mistake. While buying a home can be a good investment, it's important to thoroughly research the market and consider all potential costs before making a purchase. It's also important to have a realistic idea of how much you can afford to pay for a home and to be prepared for unexpected expenses that may arise. And if you have any other issues, you can always count on me. Call me now.